Hi, I'm Olivia. I'm a homemaker, a mom, and the one who keeps our little world running. My days are simple, but they're full of love, care, and quiet joy. Let me show you what a peaceful, productive day looks like.
Hey everyone! In today's video, Olivia will share a lovely story about her peaceful and productive day as a homemaker. You'll learn some practical vocabulary and everyday expressions to help you speak English more naturally. It's also a fantastic opportunity to improve your listening and speaking skills. So, are you ready? Let's jump right in.
Hi, my name is Olivia. I'm a full-time homemaker, and I take pride in creating a happy and comfortable space for my family. My days are filled with little routines that bring a lot of joy. Each morning, I begin with a quiet moment just for myself. I brew a cup of herbal tea, open the curtains, and watch the sunrise from our kitchen window. It's my peaceful time before the day gets busy. Soon the house comes alive. I wake my children with gentle hugs and help them start their day. Breakfast is simple but special: yogurt with berries, toasted bagels, and fresh juice. We gather around the table, sharing laughs and talking about the day ahead. After breakfast, I walk the kids to school. We enjoy the fresh air and sometimes spot birds or blooming flowers on the way. It's a short walk, but one I treasure. Back home, I tidy up the house, I fold laundry, wipe down the counters, and put on soft music while I clean. Sometimes I rearrange the living room or light a scented candle to freshen the mood. Mid-morning is my grocery time. I head to the market with a list in hand, choosing ripe fruits, leafy greens, and ingredients for the week's meals. I love finding new items to try in my cooking. Once I'm back, I put away the groceries and begin lunch prep. Today, I'm making a veggie wrap with hummus and roasted sweet potatoes. While it cooks, I water my indoor plants and check on the herb garden by the window. After lunch, I spend some quiet time reading or writing in my planner. It helps me stay organized and calm. If there's time, I sit by the balcony with a cup of coffee and just breathe. When the children return from school, we have a fun snack together. Sometimes we bake cookies, sometimes we paint or do puzzles at the dining table. It's our way to relax and reconnect. Later in the evening, I start preparing dinner. I like trying dishes from different countries. Tonight it's lentil soup and warm bread. The kids help set the table while my husband plays soft music in the background. Dinner is our family's favorite time. We talk, laugh, and enjoy every bite together. Afterwards, we might play a card game or simply chat on the couch before winding down. At bedtime, I help the kids brush their teeth and read them a bedtime story. Once they're tucked in, I dim the lights and kiss them goodnight. When the house is quiet, I take a few minutes to reflect on the day. I might write in my journal or listen to calming music. Being a homemaker isn't always easy, but the love that fills our home makes it the most rewarding job in the world.
Great job listening to Olivia's story. Now let's explore some useful vocabulary and expressions from the story in more detail. Learning these words will help you talk about your daily life confidently in English. Homemaker, meaning someone who takes care of the home and family. Example: Olivia is a full-time homemaker. Being a homemaker can be very rewarding. Routine meaning a regular and repeated way of doing things. Example: my daily routine keeps me organized. Olivia follows a morning routine that brings her peace. Herbal, meaning made from or related to plants or herbs. Example: she drinks herbal tea to relax. I use herbal products for a natural touch. Pleasant, meaning nice, enjoyable, or comfortable. Example: it was a pleasant afternoon walk. Her voice has a pleasant tone. Gently, meaning in a soft and kind way. Example: Olivia gently wakes her children. He closed the door gently so he wouldn't wake anyone. Gather, meaning to bring things or people together. Example: we gather around the table for dinner. She gathered the kids for story time. Rearrange. Meaning, to move things into a new order. Example: she rearranged the furniture in the living room. I need to rearrange my schedule. Essential. Meaning, very important or necessary. Example: good sleep is essential for health. Cleaning is essential to keeping a happy home. You did an amazing job today. Every lesson you complete brings you one step closer to speaking English with confidence. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and helpful lessons. Keep learning, and I'll see you next time.